Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a more.
They're pretty cold. They're pretty cold. They're not.
Okay, we are doing what are these? The viral gummy bears.
Sprite.
We sold 1,000 Sprite though. We didn't do the 7-Up. We did Sprite. You can do a ginger ale.
A few days ago, I saw this on TikTok and I showed it to Mom, and she also saw this herself.
There you go. So you won't have to hold it. There you go.
A few days ago, we saw this on TikTok. We figured, why not try it out? So we let these soak for 24 hours. So look how.
That is one under there.
I told you they're cold. Not easy.
Try to drain them.
Too late.
Yeah.
But it's so cold.
Wash your hands after you get done.
They won't let me pick it up.
It's slippery.
Alright, now line them up right.
I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Yeah, your hand.
Here, Bryson.
I don't think he
What
wants
was it on Instagram or TikTok?
TikTok.
TikTok gives you brainwash.
TikTok, Nick.
TikTok gives you brainwash. Don't watch it.
TikTok made us do this.
What? Yep, that gives you brainwash. There's other stuff that makes you brainwash.
Line them up, Shayla, line them up. Don't need to touch each other. Spread them out. There you go.
Now, can I bring
Oh, my battery down.
I'm bringing upstairs to shut
My
them off.
battery dying. By the time you get upstairs, it'll be dead.
This is our video games. We're playing Minecraft. See that boy back there? That's Brandon. What's your mind? Some of that. And peace. Okay. They are now finished. They look pretty good.
Yeah, these have got 10 more minutes. This tray's cold. 10 more minutes. This tray's cold.
Okay, we gotta give it a few more minutes. Or should we just eat them already?
Just eat them.
You got it scored, Bryson?
Yeah.
I don't see a point waiting. Why don't you just eat them?
Turn it this way so you can see it. Okay, Shayla, what you think? Whoa, Bryson. Is it hard?
Can't eat it.
Don't put it back on, no.
I ate it.
My teeth are not that hard. It's ice cold.
It's different. Tastes like a popsicle.
Let me taste it.
You don't like texture? Look at his face. He doesn't like it.
I like it. It's good.
He doesn't like it. Shayla,
It's still
what would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
This is very bad.
I say 7 or 8. I say 7. I say 7.
What about me?
7. What about you, Bryson?
3.
3.
I hurt my tooth.
Bryson said it hurt his teeth, and he said he'd give it a 3. I give it a 7. It's good though. Remember that about cool pop.
Please.
Go bring all your stuff out. Go get your crumpet. Bring your plates. So y'all can do y'all paper plates. He good. Just bring that stuff out.
It's so good together.
Get on my foot. Bring paper plates. Where the paper plates at? Close the door behind.
That one's mine.
Where you sitting at? You want your back turned or you want to be seen on the camera?
I'll be seen on the camera.
Do you want to get over there? Where you going to be at, Brandon? Well, never mind. He going on. You want to get right here? So you can be seen on
Here's your
camera.
pumpkin, Jada.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, let me get a paper plate for everybody.
Go.
Everybody, thank you. You need brown.
Okay, give me the paint. We don't have brown. We get brown.
I mean gray.
We got brown.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor. Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide, no, I'll do right, we got all night. I'll take you so high, yeah. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. And baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. And baby, let me love you. Love you. Love you. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Come on, girl. Yeah, I've loved you so long. Gave my heart, gave my soul. We shared our hopes and dreams, yeah. You were my everything, and I don't have to change. We can make it through the rain. I wanna feel you close. Tonight I'm letting go, 'cause girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide, no, I'll do it right. We've got all night. I'll take you so high. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Love you, yeah. 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 Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide.
In the camera.
We should have got our buckets. Why we didn't think it's through? There's some stuff up here.
Get some of the stuff and bring up here, Shayla.
Why we didn't bring buckets with us?
Come on, Jade.
Why did we bring buckets?